Hi guys, Joshua and I are standing in front of our new house.
Our new house.
We actually just kind of walked in, but we haven't even walked in all of the rooms for our first time as actually owning the house
the house now.
We have a little fountain over here. We will give you guys the full tour.
Of everything.
Outside.
The whole 3 acres.
Inside. But this house, it's just, we love it.
Let's just get in. I'm too excited.
Okay, but
we gotta go inside.
I just want to explain really quick. This house, we are moving 2 hours away from where we were before. So we're moving across state. We really just mainly fell in love with the land for the dogs especially, which you guys will see it.
And the potential of the inside.
Yes, we have a huge pole barn we'll show you guys.
Massive.
And we have a lot of plans for the inside of the house.
Yep.
Like our last house, we will be putting our touch on this house as well. Okay, let's just go inside and we'll kind of talk about some things that we want to end up here. I'll hold it.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. I'm just excited about the. I just need to get out on the land.
We haven't walked the land since we've owned the house yet.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, we're just excited. Okay. Right when you walk inside.
Boom, you've got.
We have this.
What do you got?
Little family room area, and Joshua and I, here, you can come on in.
Okay. Don't show that over there. Don't show that.
So Joshua and I actually have some plans. We've talked about maybe even extending the flooring, because pretty much whatever house you buy, if you're not building it yourself, you want to make your own little touches on it, make it feel like home and like it's yours. So eventually we were talking about maybe extending these floors.
This is ceramic wood look. It's ceramic tile.
Yeah, so this is tile, which is going to be amazing for the dogs too. Completely indestructible for them, so no scratching, nothing. We want to get settled in first and all that. But
lots of natural light. Sorry for interrupting. Apologize.
What?
I said sorry for interrupting.
No, you're fine. We're both like so excited that we just are like, we have a painter that's meeting us here in like 20 minutes. We have a crew that's coming and gonna start painting the house tomorrow. Guys, look at my paint colors. I have swatches right here. We have Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. Alabaster and Pure White, I would say, are the two most popular Sherwin-Williams white colors. I've realized through the years that picking out white is actually way trickier than picking out any other color to paint your house, because whites, they have so many weird undertones. So I got these color swatches from it's called Color Shop online, and you can actually stick them to the wall, which we didn't. We just were holding them up against the trim because we're leaving the trim color. Anyway, we're looking at whites. We're gonna be painting. Okay, kitchen. So this is the kitchen over here, which I feel like is actually kind of similar to our last house kitchen. We eventually, not right away, gonna get settled in. Want to make some changes to this. We've thought about, do you want to say what we've thought about?
Sure.
Okay, you talk.
All right.
I feel like I'm talking a lot.
We want to take out the peninsula and put an island in.
Yes, so we have like more seating.
Has more seating, correct. And I feel like it opened this space up. Cool thing, you got the view of the entire backyard, which is amazing. The entire, I think it's like just over 2.5 acres. So you got that. This is the big thing.
Oh, yeah.
You got the walk-in pantry, folks. This was about the size of our master closet at the other house. So
yeah.
We are both very excited about this. You know, espresso maker here.
Oh yeah.
Toaster. That's
microwave.
Microwave. That's all we're gonna use this for.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
And I can definitely see like a pantry organization video in my future.
Yes. For now, we're probably gonna take the black film off.
We should do that right now.
So this comes off like this. Are you sure?
Yeah, you're doing it.
Okay, it's off.
Yeah. Nice work. Okay, let's see the difference. Oh yeah, that already makes like a world of difference.
So
okay, it's kind of dark. 1 second.
Are we just throwing these away then?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're doing.
Actually, do one right there because the light's coming in, so you can't really see it very well. Like it's dark. Okay, let's see the difference there. Oh yeah.
And
that makes a huge difference.
I do believe there's another film that makes it cloudy.
Well, we can figure that out.
But we'll leave that for now.
Okay.
So those are the cool things there.
So yeah, big plans for the future kitchen.
Go
Do
from
you
here.
want- Okay.
I'm gonna be the tour of the grounds.
Oh, is that the only light?
Yeah, so we'll probably need to put another light there.
Light bulb out. So right here
Yeah.
we just have a little half bath.
Little half bath, folks. That's really bright. Hold on.
It's very simple right now, so I could totally see us just like doing something really cool with it, like we did with our last half bath, how we made it a little more special. So in here, this is the laundry room, which you can just go in and show them.
Here comes on. This is getting painted.
Cabinets. Now,
Washer, dryer.
future plans for this room, we've actually thought about maybe even putting some sort of dog bath or something in this corner if we can kind of refigure some things. Maybe if you guys have any ideas, leave it in the comments below. Because these washer and dryers can be stacked. Stacking them, putting cabinets over there, dog bath over here. The dogs are definitely gonna need a dog bath. That's a must. So, yeah. This room.
Why didn't the light go off? Oh, that's natural light.
Yeah, that's like the best lighting in the house. You explain
Okay.
this room. It's kind of just a
Come with
random.
me. This is what we called the office. We are now calling this, no, we're not pregnant, but this is gonna be the nursery. We're gonna take out the cabinets. We might leave some of these cabinets in for like diapers and all that. And
No, we would probably take them off.
We are gonna take these cabinets right out of here.
If we ever do have kids, this would be the nursery, and
This
we
will
would
be
redo the
this will
whole
be like
thing.
the toy room. We'll change the carpet. This room is not getting painted because obviously we would paint it when it becomes a nursery.
Basically, this room.
Oops, sorry, my apologies.
Basically, this room we're just leaving it like this for now because it's just a random office. But yeah, future kids room.
Now,
Garage.
okay, you got your 2-car.
It's so echoey. I don't know if they'll be able to hear you.
2-car garage. Extra deep, extra wide.
And there actually is. Yeah, this is a secret room. I'll show you
Look,
guys
we
in a
can put the
minute.
dog bath here because there's already water. We could figure out and make this the dog bath. That's genius.
That
We'd
might
have to
be-
make a drain though, but we could drain it that.
We'll figure
Figure
it
it
out.
out. But you're wondering, Josh, why are there stairs here? Stay tuned.
And there's actually an extra garage on the other side of this outside too. So we actually have,
A 3-car.
yeah, but this is the 2-car.
The 2-car, everyone.
Okay, next, where are we taking them?
Let's go upstairs.
Well, this is basically just, what do you call this, a landing?
Landing.
Okay, so this is probably gonna be maybe a filming area.
Your office. This is your office.
Yeah, so I don't know, I'm thinking, but we could honestly put closet doors here.
True. Make this a bedroom.
Well, or just have a closet.
Yeah, or just have an extra closet. Right.
But maybe desk here. Here's the master bedroom. King size bed will go here. So this room's gonna be painted too. We have a closet over here, which we might have to do a little closet video for you guys. These doors, by the way, super heavy, thick, like real wood doors. This is the master closet, pretty good size. We actually are gonna need to put in the closet, so that might be a future video. We wanted to do the IKEA PAX closets, but they're all sold out right now. So if you guys know anything similar to the IKEA PAX closets, let me know down in the comments, because that's what I was wanting to do in there, and I guess they're having a shortage of closets. Next we have the master bath. Nice double. Why didn't anybody tell me? Has this been like this the entire time?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, that's an embarrassment. Okay, master bath, double vanity, which is nice. And then we have a shower, it has like a double shower head in there.
Tell them about the drain in the floor.
Oh, yeah, there's no actual like drain. It just like drains into
I think it's
like,
called an infinity drain.
the tile, which is cool.
Yeah.
There is a tub, toilet. You guys get the idea. It's a bathroom. Okay, now we'll go downstairs.
Follow me,
I
everyone.
can show you. He's so excited.
Come on. I'm actually just want to get through this so we can get to outside.
Well, also the painter's gonna be here, so
Yeah, in about 10 minutes. So here is a second bedroom. It's got a nice little cubby closet.
This is actually really cute. It just
Goes around
meets to the other side.
You've got your closet here. Our plans for this room, it's gonna be our dog's room. It's gonna be toys, big rug, big everything. This is where we're gonna put a little couch for them. This is gonna be their room.
We were thinking about putting like all of their toys in there. They could like run through there and grab their toys or something. Also, a unique feature about this house that we have not mentioned, all of the corners are rounded.
They're rounded.
That's
pretty cool,
nice.
right? Third bedroom, folks.
So here is another bedroom.
This is gonna be the guest bedroom. It's pretty echoey, so we won't talk much in here, but
yeah, it's just basically a bedroom with a closet.
Yep, and the fourth bedroom. This will be like my office area. Kind of have like my computer in here.
Oh, painter's here. We'll come back. Okay, we're back. Joshua and I, we took a 2-hour detour with the video because the painter showed up and then the previous homeowner showed up and told us every single detail about the house.
Everything we needed to know.
Every detail.
We know everything, so that's great.
Yes.
Now where did we leave off? This room?
We had just shown this room, which is a unique.
We were in the middle of it.
It's kind of dark now.
Good to go.
But then I think the only room.
Oh yes.
The only room we haven't shown down here
bathroom.
is this bathroom down here.
Full bath.
So.
And then a little closet. Nothing special here.
Yep. Okay, now for the outside. It's cold. It's starting to get dark. We have to hurry.
So we got exterior patio. This is our land.
I mean, literally, the dogs are going to freak out when they see this. This is all fenced in, and all fenced in, like all back there.
He said there are deer that come in over there.
I made a mistake by calling these koi fish, and these are actually goldfish in here. So we will see if we will be able to keep up with this.
Here's something we didn't show.
So this is a separate entrance.
Bonus, they were gonna turn it into an apartment for their daughter. Come with me. It's gonna be a little dark up here. Check this space out.
This is a completely unfinished
but
bonus room.
Get this, over here, you have the electrical going. This was gonna be a laundry room. You've got plumbing already set for a kitchen and a full bathroom. All gonna go in right here. Plumbing is already right here. It's already done. This is gonna be my winter project.
We definitely want to finish this whole space off.
Gonna drywall it.
Be great for like when people come visit. They have their own little
The only
area.
thing that's not here is the ductwork.
I'm just so excited about the yard and for the dogs. I'm just probably gonna cry when I see them running around the yard.
This is a 40 by 48 pool barn.
It's huge.
Huge.
And it's heated, which is really nice.
This is what we're gonna be doing in here.
We don't have room in the house for any of like our gym equipment or anything, so the plan is to put it all out here because, I mean, you know, there's a lot of space and it'll be really cool to have it out here. So yeah, there's also like a little room upstairs.
Little room, little office up there.
So that's really cool. But yeah. Yeah, maybe a future boat because we're so close to water. And a little gym action.
It's all insulated.
Get our workout on.
Get our workout on. Get them beach bods.
Okay, guys.
We did it.
Thanks for watching our empty house tour.
We've been waiting so long for this to show you guys.
We're so excited.
We're excited.
And yeah, there'll just be a lot of videos to come of things that we're doing to the house. Literally, I wanted to do this empty house tour because tomorrow painters are coming and things are gonna start kind of changing a little bit. So we're gonna take it slow. But
definitely want to do some cozy things to make it our own. So can't wait to get all of our furniture in and show you guys. So hope you enjoyed. Click that thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe for more videos, and we will see you really soon in the next one.